Lumen5 AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Lumen5, an AI-powered video creation tool designed to make video production fast and easy. Before we dive in, check out the product links in the description below for more details. Lumen5 is an intuitive platform that leverages artificial intelligence to transform text-based content into engaging videos. The tool is specifically tailored for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to quickly generate professional quality videos without any prior editing experience. One of the standout features of Lumen5 is its automatic text-to-video conversion. You can simply paste your script or article, and the AI will break it down into relevant scenes, match them with suitable stock footage, and even add text overlays. The platform also allows you to customize these scenes with a variety of themes, music, and fonts, offering plenty of flexibility while saving a significant amount of time. For users who want more control, Lumen5's drag-and-drop interface gives you the freedom to adjust timing, transitions, and even add your own media, like logos or custom footage. The tool supports both horizontal and vertical video formats, making it ideal for creating content for YouTube, social media, or ads. Lumen5's extensive library of stock videos and images is another strong point, offering users a wealth of options to choose from. Plus, the AI's ability to suggest relevant clips based on your text saves you the hassle of browsing endlessly. Lumen5 is perfect for those who need to produce videos quickly and efficiently, especially when working with limited resources. It's ideal for small businesses, agencies, and content creators who want a fast, affordable solution to generate high-quality videos without the need for advanced editing skills. Overall, Lumen5 is a powerful tool that simplifies video production, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. If you're looking to streamline your video creation process, Lumen5 is definitely worth a try.